Number 6, make a point. It means to state an opinion or fact in a discussion.
She made a good point about the budget. She made a good point about the budget. He always makes a point during meetings. He always makes a point during meetings. They made a point to include everyone's ideas. They made a point to include everyone's ideas.
Number 7, make polite conversation. It means to engage in light, casual talk that is socially appropriate.
They made polite conversation at the dinner party. They made polite conversation at the dinner party. Making polite conversation helps in networking events. Making polite conversation helps in networking events. She made polite conversation with her distant relatives. She made polite conversation with her distant relatives.
Number 8, make a profit. It means to earn more money than the cost of production or investment.
He hopes to make a profit from selling his art. He hopes to make a profit from selling his art. The company made a profit this quarter. The company made a profit this quarter. She made a profit by investing wisely. She made a profit by investing wisely.
Number 9, make a recording. It means to capture audio or video for future playback.
They made a recording of the concert. They made a recording of the concert. She made a recording for her school project. She made a recording for her school project. Please make a recording of the meeting. Please make a recording of the meeting.
Number 10, make a small fortune. It means to earn a significant amount of money, often unexpectedly.
He made a small fortune in the stock market. He made a small fortune in the stock market. She made a small fortune selling her startup. She made a small fortune selling her startup. They made a small fortune through real estate investments. They made a small fortune through real estate investments.